Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. First, we will restart the Microsoft Store service. Press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app. A new window will open. Scroll down and look for Microsoft Store Install Service. Double-click on it to open its settings. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If it is not, change it to automatic. Now, click on Start if the service is stopped. If it is already running, click on Restart. Click Apply, and then OK, and close the services window. Next, we will reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run box. Type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank black window will appear for a few seconds. Do not close it. Once the process is complete, the Microsoft Store should open automatically. If the store still does not open, we will repair and reset the app. Open Settings and go to Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Scroll down and find the Microsoft Store in the list. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click on Repair and wait for it to finish. Try opening the Microsoft Store again. If it still does not work, come back to the same page and click on Reset. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. Finally, we will check system files for errors. Click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. This scan may take some time, so wait until it reaches 100%. Once it is done, restart your computer and try opening Microsoft Store again. After following these steps, Microsoft Store should open normally on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.